Well, hello YouTube. I know, I haven't been here for quite some time. I've taken a little bit of a break from YouTube. Lots of different reasons why, but I kind of lost my way a little bit on there, and I'm not a full-time Mary Kay consultant anymore. I am still part-time consultant, but when I started this channel I was a full-time sales director, which I absolutely loved. I think that was about 6 years ago I started this channel, and for other reasons which I won't get into, it's a long story, I gave all of that away and went back to full-time work doing something else. So, you know, sometimes life just takes you on a different direction, but I carried on with YouTube because I really love doing it, but I kind of feel like now it's a little bit hard to keep making business style videos about running a Mary Kay business when I don't actually do it full time. It feels a little bit false to me, and I didn't want to be fake about it, so I sort of just stopped doing it. Plus there was a couple of things that were being said online on some of my videos that I didn't feel particularly comfortable about. You know, there were some people sort of commenting on what I should be saying, how I should be looking, what sort of makeup I should be wearing, and I just didn't really want to get into that. That's not, A, it's not the Mary Kay way, and B, I'm just not going to get into the whole online hate and bullying and things. If you don't like my videos, then don't watch them. It's quite simple. So that kind of put me off a little bit and took me by surprise, because everyone else has just been so amazing, and the friends that I've made on YouTube and all over the world have been absolutely amazing, and I have made some friends and I've met people on the other side of the world through my channel from YouTube. So that kind of is a little bit about why I stopped. I sort of lost my way a little bit, but for the last couple of months I've been really missing it. I like doing YouTube. When I started it, it was about teaching my team, my consultants, about running their business, tips and tricks. It was also about teaching makeup application to my customers. I thought it was a great way of doing that, and I just really enjoyed it. For me, it was a great creative outlet for doing something to teach myself how to do it. I love the whole video creation side of things. I love learning new software applications, so for me that was a real challenge, and that's sort of for personally why I really enjoyed doing it, and I've missed doing that side of things. I'd like to get better and better at it. It's also great to have a creative outlet. I am a full-time senior executive, so I work 50 to 60 hours, and it's very stressful. So when I come home, if I don't have some hobbies of some sort, then the whole work-life balance can get a little bit out of whack, and I'm really conscious of that because I don't have children, so therefore work is a big part of my life, and if I'm not careful I will work all day and all night because I love my job so much. So I've really concentrated on the last few years of having some sort of hobbies or creative outlook that helps me to put work in its place and focus on something else, to try and just give the brain a little bit of a break, so that when I am working I'm 100% focused on work and not actually tired and burning out, if that makes sense. So like I say, for the last couple of months I've been sort of thinking about YouTube, and I was thinking, oh, do I just let it go? And I've been watching some other people on theirs, and they've kind of re-inspired me to think, well, maybe there is something that I can still do with this channel. I know that most of you have come here because of Mary Kay and you were looking for business tips and tricks, so it might not be quite what you're looking for, but oh, I think someone's at the door. No, it was a false alarm. So man, it is really hot here today, so I feel very hot and clammy at the moment. It's 28 or actually it's 31 degrees at the moment here, so it is sweltering. So probably not the best day to put on a full face of makeup and do videos, but anyway, I have forgotten where I was up to now, but I just feel like maybe I could use this channel to do some good for myself as well as for anybody else out there. That's what I sort of love to do. Some of the things I'm really passionate about at the moment is organisation, planning, essential oils, my Mary Kay, lifestyle and home, all of those sorts of things, and basically just having a really balanced lifestyle. Health is a really big thing as well, not so much fitness. I hate fitness, let's be honest. I'm never going to be a sporty lean machine. I'm never going to run any marathons. I just am not really into that. My office job is pretty much sitting down most of the time. My hobbies are all sitting down. That's what I kind of love, and so, you know, it is what it is. But I still want to have a healthy lifestyle, and I still want to be healthy within myself. I'm not getting any younger, so, you know, I want to be able to enjoy life to its fullest as I get older, and that means that you do need to have some fitness and look after yourself pretty well. So I'm really focused on that as well. So today's the 2nd of January, so obviously it's time for New Year's resolutions. You either love them or you hate them. For the most part, I do kind of love them, because I feel I love the whole fresh, it's a new year, it's a new beginning, it's almost like a reset, so I really enjoy that. So I've been kind of thinking about this year coming forward, and some of the things that I really want to concentrate on is decluttering my home. It is it's something I've been quite passionate about for a couple of years now, but I'm not very good at it. I don't like to just throw things out for the sake of throwing them out, so I'm struggling with that a little bit. I love planning and crafting stuff like scrapbooking, but because I love organisation and planning, I kind of make my scrapbooking around that. So there's a whole community on YouTube around planners and to-dos and all of that sort of thing, productivity, so that really is up my alley. I've really enjoyed that for a couple of years now, so that's one thing. Organisation, just things about bettering myself. I'm very motivated at the moment. I've been listening to lots of podcasts and things as I'm doing the housework, and I've just got really into that. I'm obviously into my essential oils, because that is part of my whole healthier lifestyle. So I'm still trying to teach myself some of those. That's quite daunting. It's a big wide world out there of essential oils. I've got my Mary Kay business on the side there. So there's lots of things going on, and I'm just wondering whether this channel can be still used for something to help you guys with tips and tricks if you're interested. I don't know. Somehow I'd like to keep it going. I'd like to keep doing it. The channel needs to keep evolving. I want to get better at doing it. Like I say, this is a creative outlet for me. I really enjoy doing it, and I've just really missed talking to you guys. I've missed the online chat. I love it when people send me messages and emails. It's really cool. It's such a buzz to hear from someone from the other side of the world, and to know that something I've talked about, they're feeling the same, or it's really helped them. And likewise, you know, I love to get ideas from other people as well. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'd love to know what you guys think. Maybe you've got some ideas for some videos you'd like to see. It might be some decluttering ones, it might be some organisation ones. I'm sure if Mary Kay is the only reason that you're here, that these things might help you in your Mary Kay business. Like I say, I'm still doing it on the side, so who knows. But anyway, I just wanted to get this off my chest and say hi and say Happy New Year to you all. And yeah, I hope that you decide to stick around. If you don't, I totally understand, but yeah, I'm just really excited about this year and looking forward to achieving some new goals. So yeah, that's all probably for now, but I'm a little bit out of practice, as you can tell. But yeah, I look forward to talking to you all again really soon in another video, whatever that one may be. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.